Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to scan QR code on Microsoft Authenticator. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open up the Authenticator application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, if you want to scan a QR code, then you will have to click on Verified IDs at the bottom of your screen and then select Scan QR Code. Then, it may tell us that it's not enabled. So what we have to do is go to our device settings. Here, search for Authenticator and then select the app itself. Once done, we have to enable camera access. Now, if we go back and if we open up Authenticator, go to Verified IDs again and select Scan QR Code again, it will launch the camera. Now, you have to place it near the square of the QR code itself, and it's going to log in your account into Microsoft Authenticator. So that's basically how you can scan QR code on Microsoft Authenticator. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.